Welcome to the Masteriyo tutorials. In this video, we learn to create the account page using the Masteriyo's account page shortcode. So to begin with, open your WordPress dashboard and click on Pages and press on Add New. So next on, you need to give the page an appropriate name. So here, we have named it Account Page. So your next step is to click on the Add Block button that looks like a plus sign in here. Next, search for the shortcode block and type the shortcode visible on our screen, as this is the shortcode for the account page. Moving on, click on the Publish button at the top of the page. So this means now your account page has been published, but however, to display it in your site, there's one more step. So go back to your dashboard and click on Masteriyo. Here, among many other options, you'll see a Settings tab. Click on it. So in here, under the General tab, open the Pages. So here you'll see a section called Account Page. So where you need to click on the drop down to select the page you have just created. And when you are done with that, don't forget to click on the Save Settings button down here. So now your account page will be displayed on your site. But as of now, the users who are not logged in will see the sign in page as shown in the screen. But as for logged in users, the account page will be visible like this. So let's explore what's in here. So in the dashboard section, there are different options like enrolled courses, in progress courses, and completed courses. Below that, you can see a section called continue studying. The courses that are left midway while studying can be continued from here. Now on the left hand side, you can see a section called enroll courses. So as the name suggests, enroll courses displays the courses that the users are enrolled in. Further, there's a profile section. You can edit your details alongside billing details as well in here. Next is order history. This displays the order history of the courses like the purchase courses, date of purchase, status, and the total amount. And finally, there's a logout section to end your logged in session. And that's all on the account page. So we have made it to the end of our video and we'll catch you on our next video.